Yeah, this is Dr. NouraChat Miyam. Actually, my apology to all of my followers because I have been absent for a while for family reasons, and I am back. And also, I congratulate them for the Eid. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them all and bless us all and give us all our wishes. A little bit different because usually I'm always discussing the educational aspects and how we can move forward with education and all the process of education and the things that affect negatively or positively the education. But today I'm going to discuss something that's very close to the same subject, but it has a different impact on people. This is the English version. Actually, I did one in Arabic for the majority of our people in chat, but this one just for our new generations, those who are speaking English, so they don't feel like they left behind, so they can understand what's going on in their country, even if they are living outside of their country. We have some problems on the east of the country between the Arab tribes and the African tribes, or specifically they say between the Arab and the Wadai, or they call them the Africans or the blacks. And these problems start appearing on the surface, and it's becoming a little bit violent. That's why we would like to discuss today the government authority, because it is so important for the people that they feel that there is authority that can protect them. No, these are people, they feel like these people need to move out of this land. These people, they don't deserve to be there. Who you are to tell me that I don't deserve to be in my land? I born here, my father born here, his father and father, grandfather was born here. And they are all buried here. Then we have right to live in this land. Equally like you too, you have the same right. You born here, your father born here, your grandfather born here. And they all buried here. So then you have the same right of mine that you and me, we have to live in this land. You have your own and I have mine. And who's the one who can lead both of us? The government. So the government has to show his authority between all these tribes, otherwise it's going to be really too late for us to contain this problem. Because right now it's really going like a fire on the hay, and if we can't contain it, then we can't contain it. And you know, if we come to play the power role, the tribal power role, it's not going to be easy. And we went through this many times in our history, and it was ugly. We don't want to go back to it. So therefore, really, our kids, those who speak French, who speak Arabic, who speak English, who speak any other languages, start speaking about the peace and how we need to live in peace. And this is 21st century. We don't need somebody come proudly say, I'm belonging to that tribe because I am that tribe. No. We're looking at you and your achievement. We're looking at you and your abilities. We're looking at you and your, positive attitudes. We're not looking at your tribe because it's just a name for us, or we are a stronger or bigger number than you. That's not acceptable. So I would like the new generation to join me, join our hands and join their voices to fight this fight, because it is for all of us to fight it, to bring peace to our lands, to bring peace to ourselves. Because we can, even if you are not living in Chad, definitely you have somebody else is living in Chad. So we need you there with your voice or physically or whatever, in any way that you can call for peace. Please let us talk for peace, pray for peace, ask peace, and let us play peace, and hopefully our government play that role with us. Thank you. Instincts that people get rid of it 1,000 years ago. We're talking about tribal. Oh, I am better than you. In what aspect? Because I'm from that tribe. What does that mean? It's stupidity, totally stupidity. You are not better than me in any way. And if you are better than me in your vision, in your attitude, in your abilities, in your, moral, then you are. But just because you're having that name of that tribe, I don't believe on that. Even if it's my own tribe, I don't believe on that. So we are all equal in front of the law. We are all citizens of the same country. We have one constitution. We have law that we all stand in front of it. We need to feel that from the government. We need the government to interfere and really cut the roots for those who are trying to establish problems in the country in the name of the tribe. If that happens, we all live happy in our country. If that doesn't happen, we fear that our people are going to immigrate like the other. Open the TV, you just see people immigrating left and right. We don't want that in our country. These people are living, they have their lifestyle. They are nomads, they are farmers. They are people living their own life. They have no problem, except that new satanic ideas coming that we are better than you. So all this fight is coming down to the word, I am better than you. Proudly say, I'm belonging to that tribe because I am that tribe. No. We're looking at you and your achievement. We're looking at you and your abilities. We're looking at you and your, positive attitudes. We're not looking at your tribe because it is just a name for us. Whoever you are, it is just a name for us. For us is you as individual. Who you are, what you are doing, what is your achievement, what is your progress, what is your mission, what is your vision. That's the most important for us. So let us all together as Jadi talk about peace and stop this nonsense. And we really calling and begging our government to interfere vigorously and stop this type of nonsense. Because even our government fighting the opponents on the desert and killing them, that's their business. I'm not going to discuss this point. But the more important is that, how about these peaceful people in their houses and they have been killed? We need those weapons that we saw it on the north, in the east, so these people can know that there is authority and there is government, and they can keep their, they can stay online. Otherwise, we're gonna be in trouble, and trouble always in the country. Things fall apart when the government doesn't interfere and start always small. They start small and they grow. Problems always start small and then they grow. We don't want problems. We're done with problems. Africa done with problems. Honestly talking, I believe Africa done with problems. We have all the sources to live happy. We have all the money. We have all the energy. We have all the youth. We have all the hands to build our country, and we can live happy in our countries.